Alright, so fresh snowball. It's compacted, it's snow. Now that the internet has my mom believing that snow's fake, let's actually teach some people some stuff. It's not sublimation, it's none of that. It's just water absorption. There's little air bubbles throughout this whole thing. As you melt it, it keeps absorbing into itself. Notice white? As you heat it up with a hot enough element, it'll slowly turn clear because it's just filling all the voids. At a certain point, it'll just start leaking. Okay, so if you're expecting to immediately hit flame and water to come pouring out, it's pouring back into itself. If you apply heat to it, you'll notice it's becoming clearer there than it is over here. If you heat the whole entire thing up as it slowly absorbs into itself, again, where's the water? It's inside the ball still. It's still slowly condensing and shrinking itself. This is basic science. So again, once you get all the white out of the snow, basically it's just all the air bubbles hanging around, then it'll start leaking like a sieve. It's not sublimation, it's not immediately going to a gas form, it's absorbing itself. Again, starting to get clear all the way around. Eventually you're going to get to a point, still got a second or two here, that it's just going to start leaking because it can no longer absorb anywhere, and it's just going to simply run. It's absorption, it's not sublimation. Maybe there's other variations, but once you get it to the point that almost every air bubble is gone and every pocket of water is available, here in a second it's just going to start leaking and just have nowhere else for the water to go, but besides, now it's just going to start running. The water has nowhere else to melt to, so it's just going to melt off. Now it's just a piece of ice. That's all you're seeing. That's why it's not melting with the little Bic lighters, because there's not enough heat. It would eventually get there, it would take a long time, but there's nowhere for the water to now absorb, so it just melts. That's why a snowball just doesn't melt when you immediately stick it to it, because all the water's got to absorb into all the little pockets. Thanks to the internet, they've convinced my mom that the snow is fake. Thanks, everybody.